everyone, it's me DGP Diwata, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to newest upload of Franz Rhythm, and this is With or Without You, popularized by none other than U2 from the album The Joshua Tree. This is the best-selling album of U2, okay? So published 13 hours ago with 21,700 views. Excited na ako dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung kakanta, kung si Char ba o si Daddy Franz, kasi alam naman natin kapag mga ganito, ang mag-ama nato ang talagang tumitira sa mga ganito kang kagandang kanta. Kaya naman, pakinggan na natin ang kanilang version, ang With or Without You. Let's go! Wow! Ooh! Wow! Plakado-plakado, ah! Wow!
Stay hand and twist our fate. Better name, she makes me wait. And I wait without you. With or without you.
Ang galing!
With or without. To the story, it's the shoe. You keep it open, I want more. And I'm waiting.
Tingin na ni Char at saka ni Jen, like ko yun.
With or without you.
Wow!
With or without you, I can't live. With or without you.
Grabe, ang galing!
And you give yourself away. And you give yourself away. And
to si Dodds. Wow. Ayokong tapusin. Ulitin natin to. Ulitin natin. Ulitin natin. Ang galing. Gusto ko yung intro. Ang galing ni Char. Oh, yung pasok ni Dodds doon. Pak na pak. Grabe pagkakakanta dito ni Daddy Franz. Na-amaze ako. Kinikinig ako!
See the thorn twist in your side. I'll wait for you. Stay hand and twist our fate. Bed of nails, she makes me wait. And I wait without you. With or without you. With or without you. Through the storm, it's the shore. You give it all that I want more. And I'm waiting for you. With or without you.
Wow!
With or without you, I can't live. With or without you. And you give yourself away. And you give yourself away. And you give, and you give yourself away. And sometimes the body moves, you got me with nothing to eat,
Naiilang ako sa voice ni Daddy
nothing
Franz.
left to lose. And you give yourself away. And you give yourself away. And you give, and you give yourself away. With or without you. With or without you, I can't live. With or without you. With or without you. With or without you, I can't live. With or without you. With or without you.
Matatapos na bitin ako. Ang galing. Grabe ang husay ni Daddy Franz dito. Wow! Wow, ang galing, grabe.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this beautiful cover, Daddy France Rhythm. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng ng cover na ito, no? Napaka-powerful ng voice si Daddy France. Talaga masasabi ko na more than for me, parang hindi lang plakadong-plakado niya si Bono, pero for me ito yung one of the best cover songs na na si Daddy France show kumanta. Yung ang ganda, from the beginning until the end, hindi ko maiwasan na talaga nakismile ako at kinilig ako kay Daddy France. And of course, yung naka-take 2 ka na pero ganun pa rin yung feelings na nararamdaman mo. Talagang na-amaze ako sa mag-anak na ito. And of course, yung instrumentang keyboard and yung guitar, yung drums, oh my God, perfect match in heaven. Sobrang para ako nasa langit habang pinakikinggan ko sila at talaga namang masasabi ko na napakagaang sa feeling. Kung madidinig ito na may mga pinagdadaanan sa relationship, oh my God, pansumandaling yung pansumandaling yung makakalimutan yung mga pinagdadaanan at may in love kayo sa voice si Daddy France. Kasi this song is all about a turmoil in a relationship. Kaya naman, pag napakinggan nyo ito, kalimutan nyo muna at ma-in love tayo sa voice si Daddy France. Okay? So, technically, napakahusay na pagkakakanta dito ng France Rhythm, no? Instrumentally, vocally, napakahusay talaga. Wala akong masabi kundi perfect. And yung tinginan ni Chen at ni Char, oh my God, parang sinabi nila, wow, ang galing ni Daddy dito, nakaka-proud na meron tayong dadding ganito. And of course, si Dodds, ang galing mo dito. And lagi naman magaling si Dodds, mula nung mag-start ako ng reaction video dito sa France Rhythm, nakikita ko na talagang ang performance si Dodds talaga lume-level up, pahusay na pahusay. Kahit anong genre talaga, Dodds, kayang-kaya mong dalhin. And of course, si Chen na talaga naman may papikit-pikit pa. Ibig sabihin, feel niya ang kanyang, ang kanyang ginagawa. Siyempre, si Char na talagang makikita ko na na parang cool lang siya dito. Pero ang ganda ng blending ng kanyang pagsi-second voice. At siyempre, overall, ang ganda ng performance yun dito, France Rhythm. You nailed it. And I'm super proud of you, Daddy France, kasi perfect ang performance mo dito, okay? Anyway, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from France Rhythm, please don't forget to subscribe. France Rhythm, ayan, talaga may love po kayo sa kanilang mga original composition and cover songs kasi napakahuhusay po ng performance sila dito. Mula sa simula, talagang napaka-consistent, masasabi kong pa-level up ang husay ng magkakapatid, ang husay ni Daddy France at ang husay ng mag-anak nito. Wala kang itutulak kaibigan kasi lahat sila talagang napaka-ganda ng na ipinapakita sa atin sa bawat cover na ginagawa nila. Ayan, anyway, kung napahanga din kayo ng France Rhythm sa kanilang performance dito and you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up, and if you're just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also ang ating DJP Israel. Ayan, marami din po kayong mapapanood ng mga reaction videos sa channel ko na yan. Once again, this is DJP Diwata saying thank you so much for always watching my reaction video. Always remember that music is life and life is still without music, because music is the closest thing to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Okay, bye-bye everyone. I love you all.